Are you trying to turn on noise cancellation or transparency mode on the Nothing Ear one, but it is not turning on or turning off automatically after it is turned on? In this video, we will show you the best ways to fix active noise cancellation or transparency mode not working problem on Nothing Ear one. First, make sure both earbuds are on the case. Then close it and keep it aside. Now force close the Nothing Ear one app and all the apps running in the background for safety purpose. Now also for safety purpose, you can force restart your iPhone. Now connect the Nothing Ear one earbuds to your iPhone. Try to turn on noise cancellation mode or transparency mode, and it should fix the issue. If this does not fix your problem, it can happen due to in-ear detection. Tap on this three-dot icon. Turn off in-ear detection. Now go to latency mode and make sure it is on normal latency mode. If your Nothing Ear one earbuds are not running on the latest firmware possible, then noise cancellation can give you trouble. So make sure it is up to date. Go to Nothing Ear one app, tap on the three-dot icon, tap firmware update, and make sure it is up to date. If either your earbuds or the case does not have proper charge, it can cause the problem. As you can see, ours have full charge, so it is not our problem. But if it is below 50%, you might face the problem and you need to put it on charge, and it should fix the issue. Now, if nothing else works, go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, tap on the eye icon beside Nothing Ear one, tap Forget this device, tap Forget this device. Now take your Nothing Ear one earbuds, make sure both earbuds are in the case. Now press and hold this button. Keep holding it until the light changes color to red. And the Nothing Ear one earbuds will be reset. Now connect it back again and it should fix your problem. So guys, this is the way you can easily fix noise cancellation or transparency mode not working on Nothing Ear one earbuds. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.